Hello everyone, myself Jaya Agarwal, Assistant Professor Political Science from SPCGC Ajmer, and today we are going to start uh, Indian political thinkers, ancient Indian political thinkers, as well as we will cover modern Indian political thinkers. In short, we are going to study about the ideas or views of Indian political thinkers, and today we will study about the political views or ideas of Swami Vivekanand. So today, for today's video, my topic is education to the people, or that is also known as Jan Shiksha. So Jan Shiksha, that is basically where we can say that we will focus on the education to the people, or we will discuss about the ideas of about education of Swami Vivekanand. So let's start. According to Swami Vivekanand, this is the fact that not that the Britishers used to work only for themselves and only for their welfare, not for India. They didn't try to educate Indians in order to make them vigilant and make progress at the same time. So the Britishers never wished for the Indians that they should progress, they should be vigilant. So they in other words, the Britishers always kept Indians in dark, and therefore, although they started the education system in India uh, as per their requirements, as we can see that the education system that they started was only in the welfare, for the welfare of the Britishers themselves, and it was not according to the needs of India, or according to the requirements, or to educate Indians. So, according to Swami Vivekanand, only education is the equipment or weapon that can save India from all the sufferings and demerits caused by the British government. Caused by the British government, and he has suggested some useful practical ways for the education of Indians. So we can see them one by one, that how practical suggestions or Swami Vivekananda suggested us some useful or uh, so many powerful ways for the education of Indians. And according to him, most of the public in India is so poor to afford the expenses of education. Therefore, here I have mentioned the words according to Swami Vivekanand, that is sadhus, jnanis, and sannyasis. These are the persons who have wide knowledge of everything, so they should go to the public to educate them. That means here sadhu jnani sannyasis means the persons who are who have knowledge of each and every aspect of our life. These are the persons who are well known for their educational aspect, and they can provide better education to the Indians. So according to Swami Vivekanand, that they should go to the persons who and public to educate them. And suggestions by Swami Vivekanand can be seen as below. According to Swami Vivekanand, modern techniques should be used in teaching to make education useful according to present time, and equipments which are being used in education should not be very expensive, or it can be said that these means of education must be in reach of everyone. If due to any reason, um if due to any reason or unavoidable reasons, poor persons cannot go to the centers or education centers, then in that situation they should be taught at their residence. And Swami Vivekanand has emphasized much more on moral education and character building. So, according to him, to make Indians or to raise the moral standard of Indians, the teacher should teach students through their own behavior or example. Thus, we can say that Swami Vivekanand left no stone unturned for the better education in India. So here we can see that all these points as or we can brief them in this manner. That first one was that education is must and Britishers have worked only for themselves. Second one is Indians are very poor in order to get education, or in other words, we can say that education is so expensive. At that time, education used to be so expensive that, and the economic condition of India was not satisfactory, or was so. Indians were so poor that they were not able to afford such expensive education. And next one is modern education or methods or equipment should be must be used for effective learning. And last one is moral education must also a part of educational system, and education should be provided at the residence of the poor Indians. So that's all for today from my side. Thank you very much.